There's one thing, I love this bike. This thing just rips. Oye, papi, a buscar gasolina como la de Yankee. Man, life has been good. Last week, I was in Dallas, Texas. Went up there for the Light the Fuse retreat, hosted by veteran Vince Vargas, aka Gilly from the Mayans. It was a great time. Got to meet some really cool cats. And man, talk about just healing. It was good. It's a good time. There's one thing, I love this bike. This thing just rips. It's funny, a lot of people tell me, hey Nick, why do you go to therapy all the time, bro? I go about once every month or so. And it's maintenance. Same way you do oil changes on your car, the same way you do change the AC filters in your house, which I did today. That's the same thing that we got to do for our mental health. And that's why I go to therapy. I mean, I'll tell you one of the quotes that we had from this retreat. We had this this gentleman who was in the Navy as a corpsman attached to a Marine unit in Iraq. But one of the quotes that stood out was him looking at us dead in the face and saying, if you're the same man you were a year ago, you're effing wrong. And you know, I was like, oh man, I'm always getting better. I'm always doing this, I'm always doing that. But the one thing that stuck out, man, to be true, it's like every area of my life. Not just mental health, but my physical health. I need to get in shape. And understanding that, yes, round is a shape. However, I need to get back in physical. I need to take my physical fitness seriously. You know that, and also financial literacy and a lot of other things in my life. You know, so if I'm the same person I was last year with my money, if I'm the same person I was last year with my relationships, I was the same person I was last year wishing, dreaming. You know, there's nothing wrong with that stuff, but you got to take action on it. If I'm that same person in that same spot, I'm wrong. And I'm just super grateful that that gentleman spoke from his heart. So yeah, just kind of rambling today, man. Not really having anything that's popping. Not anything, no topic. I got a gang of topics, I just haven't put them up yet. I usually use my Apple Notes tab and kind of reference those back and forth. Today, sometimes I'm like, squirrel. Tráfico que está aquí, papi, mira. Es que mira, exit 260, mira, ese exit de nosotros aquí. Oye, papi, a buscar gasolina como la de Yankee. María, look at that traffic, bro. Y por aquí me va a dar una derecha. Ah, qué bueno que está un guagua ahí mi micro cerquetita. So used to go on the other route. Well, yeah, I don't have to go across I-4 anymore. Just take 75 south, baby. Got my man over there on his bike. Wop wop. Speaking of that, there goes that Honda Civic. Yeah. There we go. Let's roll. Y aquí lo vamos. If I knew how to stunt, this would be the perfect place to come to at night, my boy. Trying to see if there's anything photo worthy over here. Oh, that could be kind of cool. Leading lines from the power lines. Get it? Well, underneath that big tower, that would be gangster too. Right over here. So we're gonna attempt the shot. Alright, here we go. What I was talking about, leading lines. The way the bike is framed in between the parking spots, those lines left and right, it's going to draw your eyes to go that way. And at the same time, we got the power lines up top, which are freaking sweet. So, with that being said, let's pull out the Sony A7R3. See if I can get some custom white balance action going on. No, that's my garage door opener. Here we go. This thing right here. Okay. So, where I got mine set up, C4. Boom. Click that. Go to set. Now you're gonna drag that white dot over to that white, and then you're gonna press the center button. Ugh, that looks disgusting. I did something wrong. Okay, here we go. Let's go to set. There we go. So it's gonna set it to temperature 3600, and so that's your color profile. I want to thank my boy Felipe showing me that little trick when we were up in Dallas. I'm gonna come here. I am going to, let me see, kick this up to about 5, 6. You see how that changed it? Well, hopefully you did. I'm not sure what you're capturing right now or what I'm capturing. However, so I'm at 1/320th at 5.6 ISO 100. Now we're gonna bump up the f-stop just a bit. 7.1. And then let's see what that looks like. Okay, the bike needs a little more separation, so let's drop this down right about there. All right, I got about 10 minutes. Let's get back on the bike, head over to my appointment before I'm late.
And that does it for y'all. That does it for us here. Ugh, love bug. That's gross. Hopefully y'all be able to see something. If not, still gonna post it. Bye.